Bosque del Apache, situated near Rio Grande in New Mexico, is a haven for migrating birds in all seasons. The refuge contains the perfect ecosystem maintained by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services, provides habitat for hundreds of species of birds and animals. We reached the refuge for sunrise around 5:30 in the morning in late November. It was bitterly cold but was totally worth it, with one of the most stunning sunrises I have ever seen. The entire sunrise drama can be viewed from the flight deck. This refuge is popularly known for overwintering massive flocks of Sandhill cranes, snow geese, Canada geese, and many species of waterfowl in winter. Sandhill cranes and snow geese fly all at once around sunrise, called blast off to their foraging grounds. The refuge maintains marshes, cornfields in the refuge itself, so one can find several hundreds of sandal cranes feeding, trumpeting, rattling the entire day. There are several viewing decks that provide an opportunity to view these birds from a comfortable distance.